In this exercise, we'll solve the equation 68 over y equals 17 over 25. We'll solve this by equating cross products. The cross products are y times 17 and 68 times 25. So we can write 68 times 25 equals y times 17. To solve this, we'll divide by 17 on both sides. We have 68 times 25 divided by 17 equals y times 17 divided by 17. On the right side of the equation, we simply have y. And on the left side, I'm going to factor 68 because 68 has a factor of 17, and write that as 4 times 17 times 25 divided by 17, and I'll write in a factor of 1 because I have a factor of 17 in the numerator and the denominator, and I can cancel that because 17 over 17 is 1. Now I have y equals 4 times 25 over 1, or 100 equals y. This is my solution. If I were to check it, I would substitute 100 for y and evaluate cross products, and I would find that those are equal. So I can say the solution is 100.